What's the meaning of articulately? Articulately. Articulately.
Articulately. Articulately. Articulately means expressing oneself fluently and coherently. It refers to someone's ability to communicate complex ideas or thoughts in a clear, concise, and organized manner. When someone speaks articulately, they are able to convey their message effectively and efficiently, without unnecessary repetition or confusion. This skill is often highly valued in professional contexts, such as business meetings and public speaking events, where clear communication can make the difference between success and failure. People who are able to express themselves articulately are seen as knowledgeable, confident, and persuasive communicators.